Hi, my name is Stacy Dissinger, and my role at TCU, especially Harris College, is I'm the director of our Harris Academic Resource Center. I love meeting all the new students. I love getting to know them, not only academically, but then they get to tell me their story, their why they came to TCU, why they chose their major, and I just love getting to know them on that level. With the advising side, we're looking at your degree audit, we're looking at your 4-year plan, we're looking at you as a whole as a student. The advisor-advisee relationship is one of the most important things here at TCU, and advising is more than just planning out the schedule. We are teaching you what that degree audit looks like. We are teaching you what we like to say, owning your own education. This is your classes, your time here at TCU. So definitely getting to know you, we're mentoring you, we're advocating for you, we're your liaison, because after you leave us, you're working with a faculty from your program. And so going in, knowing what you need from them is helpful.
My academic advisor, Mrs. Dissinger, has been my biggest supporter here at TCU. Walking in as a first year, I didn't really know what to expect, and I was feeling very overwhelmed, and she made the process go by so smoothly and walked me through step by step. Here I am almost 4 years later, and I have my dream job, and I owe almost all of that to Mrs. Dissinger and the Harris Academic Resource Center. I'm feeling super thankful.
The advice that I would give first-year students is get to know things about your my.tcu.edu portal. Get to know each of those tiles. Play around with them, and that way it can help you when you come to orientation, when you're meeting with an advisor one-on-one during your advising, or anything to do with you here during the 4 years. Get to know the resources that are available to you as the student. Here within Harris College, we offer free group tutoring. Those tutors are also students, and they have taken those classes. They work one-on-one with the instructors, and that's the great thing is they know what it's like to be in those classes and to take classes with those instructors to help you.
Students should really take advantage of the resources that the Harris Academic Resource Center has to offer. There are tons of things like test-taking tips, learning style assessments, tutors that they have available, scholarship opportunities, career advising. There's so much, and there's a whole staff of people dedicated to helping us and making this process go by really smoothly.